Welcome guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will be starting with a new tutorial video. It's about HTML5 and it is the first step before becoming a front-end web developer, and the next two, CSS and JavaScript, will be uploaded soon. So let's get started. What is there in this bootcamp? So here is my guide and let's see the code structure now. So first of all, we will be starting with the introductory part, and then we will move on some basic elements. Then we will learn about attributes, given a touch with headings and styles with formats, different formats, and learn how to write paragraphs in an HTML and how to format texts, colors, and link our websites to our pages or different websites, and add images to our website, add tables, and the page layout we will learn and make it a responsive web design. And then we will learn about HTML semantic, how HTML forms are built, HTML graphics, and HTML API, and at last we will see the differences between HTML and XHTML. So don't waste your time, let's jump into my videos and subscribe my channel. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे वीडियोस लाते रहूँगा।